Welcome to this tutorial on how to make an international transfer using the Scotiabank app. Making international transfers can seem complex, but with this step-by-step guide, you will be able to transfer money from your Scotiabank account to an international recipient with ease. First, ensure you have the Scotiabank app installed on your mobile device and that you are registered for online banking. If you are not registered, you can do so by visiting the Scotiabank website. To begin the transfer process, open the Scotiabank app and log in to your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the transfer section of the app, which is usually located on the main dashboard. Next, select the account you want to transfer from and the currency you want to transfer in. You will then be prompted to enter the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account information. It is crucial to ensure the recipient's information is accurate to avoid any delays or issues with the transfer. After entering the recipient's information, you will need to specify the transfer amount and choose the transfer method. Scotiabank offers various transfer methods, including wire transfers and online transfers. Each method has its own fees and processing times, so be sure to review the details before proceeding. Once you have confirmed the transfer details, review the summary page to ensure everything is accurate. If everything is correct, confirm the transfer and the funds will be sent to the recipient's account. It is essential to note that international transfers may be subject to fees, exchange rates, and other charges. Scotiabank will provide you with a detailed breakdown of these costs before you confirm the transfer. To avoid any issues with the transfer, make sure the recipient's bank is able to receive international transfers and that their account is active. Additionally, be aware of the daily transfer limits and ensure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the transfer amount. In conclusion, making an international transfer using the Scotiabank app is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following this guide, you will be able to transfer money from your Scotiabank account to an international recipient with ease and confidence. Remember to always review the transfer details carefully and be aware of any fees and charges associated with the transfer.